FC गोवाक एका गोलान हरोवन सोमारा ईस्ट बंगाल सुपर कपाच्या फायनलींत पावले. गेमीच्या 78व्या मिनटाक डुडून गोल मारून आय लीग टीम ईस्ट बंगालाच्या जैतांत मोठो वांटो उखल्लो. उपरांत FC गोवाचो कॅप्टन एडू बेडियाक रेड कार्ड पडलें. फाटल्या गेमींत रेड कार्ड आनी इंजुरीक लागून FC गोवाचे 5 रेग्युलर प्लेयर खेळून आशिल्ल्यान टिमीचो खेळ बरोच दळमळीत जालो.
Al-Amna, another player like Yusa, who's just signed a 1-year extension to his contract. Driven in goalwards, increase. Katsumi, great ball whipped in. Ali with a good header because Dudu was lurking right behind him. No foul by Edu Bedia on Aucho. Now, Edu Bedia looking to try and pick up some pace on the break. That's a poor ball. He's just forced Mandar out and they needed goals. They just couldn't find them. But credit to Chennai's defence. Here's Katsumi then. East Bengal on the attack. Katsumi all the way across. Amna right in front of Guru. Can't slip it past the keeper. Gets a second chance outside of the post. Edu Bedia. Nice ball through. Great chance here for Ami. Good save by Abaid. Onside. Now in towards Dudu. Tried the little back header. Katsumi. Good block by Katamani. It was an awkward one for Katamani. It was Katsos maybe. It is Coro. It's over the top. Oh, it's hit the top of the post. What a chance. He got everything right and he was inches away from being a stunning goal.
That's a quality free kick, isn't it? He's gone with pace. He's whipped it right into that far corner. But unfortunately...
Now Katsumi. Ball in. Dudu! Oh, Katamani has allowed it to bounce. Muhammad Ali gets his wrath. But Dudu has got the goal that separates these two teams.
Up it a little bit. Coro straight back up to the top, up front.
That's a foul.
Oh,
he's going to be sent off, Edu Bedia. It's a second yellow card for the Goa captain. He doesn't even look at the referee. He knows what's coming. It's East Bengal that become the first finalists to the inaugural Heroes Super Cup. It's a late goal from Dudu that sealed the victory for them.
गोंय स्क्वॉश संघटना आनी क्लब टेनिस दिगासबार डायसान मेळून मिरामार स्क्वॉश डबल्स सर्त दवरिल्ली. 85 जाणांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो. गोंयचो कोच रेहमान हुबळी स्क्वॉश खेळाच्या प्रचार आनी प्रसाराचेर सातिस्वेद दिसता. गोंयचे स्क्वॉश प्लेयर बरे वयर सरतात म्हूण कोच रेहमान म्हणटा.
Basically a doubles tournament that has been held for the second year now, and we've got a fantastic response. We have about 85 people playing here, and we conduct it on a full day basis. The Goa Association of Squash has held this tournament with the help of the Gashpadesh club.
आज से 10 साल पहले एक भी बच्चा नहीं खेलता था यहाँ पर, और आज के टाइम पे कम से कम 200-300 बच्चे खेल रहे हैं और नेशनल लेवल जा रहे हैं, इंटरनेशनल लेवल जा रहे हैं. कल से इंटरनेशनल लेवल काफ़ी लोग खेल रहे हैं. हमारे एक लड़की खेल रही है 81 सालों के, वो US में खेल रही है.
यजमान बाबू ब्रदर्सान T20 क्रिकेट सर्तींतली सोमारची मॅच जिखली. कुडचड्यार SAG ग्राउंडार जाल्ल्या मॅचींत बाबू ब्रदर्सान पेंजीम स्ट्रायकर्साक 36 रनांनी मारले. हाफ सेंच्युरी मारपी आनी 3 विकेटी घेवपी बाबू ब्रदर्साचो पॉल फर्नांडीस मॅन ऑफ द मॅच थारलो. इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.